I'm in the final stages of finishing off these wheels now. When you look at the photographs of the actual engine, you'll see that the spoke has a radius along the front. It's not a full semicircular, but it is radiused slightly. So what I'm doing now is to try and replicate that, so I'm putting a radius on all these spokes. So on this particular wheel, which is a 16 spoke wheel, I think I've done about 10, so I've got 6 to go. So I'll just quickly show you how I do that. So I decided just to use some diamond coated burrs. I bought a set of 30 because I'm not quite sure how long they'll last. So I'm going to use these to grind a radius on the spokes. I'm using my Proxon mini drill. So you might be able to see that this particular burr hasn't lasted too long. That's 3 spokes. Right, just in case of failing them a bit smoother. So as you can see, it doesn't take as long as you think it might, although there are an awful lot of spokes to do. So there's 2 wheels with 16 spokes, 2 wheels with 18 spokes, and on the smaller sizes, which I've already done now, there's 4 wheels with 10 spokes and there's 2 wheels with 11 spokes. These were a lot easier. These are cast iron, it's a steel, and it's quite a hard steel. No idea what grade of steel it is. So this is a lot harder, but so these were a lot easier, quicker. So these 5 diamond burrs did a couple of the large wheels, and then this one, which is still in good condition, did everything else. So that turned out to be a pretty good one. The last job to do on these wheels is to file out the root of the spokes to a square profile. So I'm just using a needle file now to tidy up the tops of the spokes. 2.43 kilograms. 0.54 kilograms. Thanks for watching. See you next time.